For Tuesday the 24th of October 23, here's the latest for Force 13's regional AU channel on the Australian national weather scene. Bureau of Meteorology continues to have in place 2 severe weather warnings for damaging winds, and we start off with Victoria. For the central east Gippsland and north central, northeast, west, south Gippsland forecast districts. Damaging wind gusts forecast to develop about the central to eastern ranges today. A vigorous cold front will track eastward across the state today, with winds easing from the west following the passage of the front. For the central ranges, strong north to northwesterly winds averaging 50 to 60 kilometres an hour with damaging wind gusts of around 90 kilometres an hour, likely about the ranges of central Victoria and possibly the outer northern suburbs of Melbourne, easing during the afternoon. For northeast ranges, strong north to northwesterly winds averaging 50 to 60 kilometres an hour with damaging wind gusts in excess of 90 kilometres an hour likely and easing during the evening. Locations: Melbourne Airport, Yarra Glen, Apollo Bay, Lorne, Killington, Daylesford, Falls Creek, Mount Buddha and Omeo. However, the severe weather warning has been cancelled for Victoria's southwest, the Wimmera district, and the warning has been cancelled. And adding to the severe weather warning, 114 kilometre an hour wind gusts was recorded at Mount Winger, around 20 to 7. And 89 kilometre an hour gusts at Aries Inlet around 9:45. Still in Victoria, there's a sheep grazers warning for the Wimmera, the northern country, north central, northeast, southwest, central west, south Gippsland and east Gippsland forecast districts. Gale warning, Port Phillip Bay, west coast, central coast and the central Gippsland coast. Strong wind warning, the western port and east Gippsland coast. Now we come down to Tasmania, where the severe weather warning for damaging winds continues for the King Island, the western, the upper Durrant Valley, the southeast, east coast, northwest coast, the central plateau, the Midlands, parts of the northeast and central north forecast districts. Damaging wind gusts possible over parts of Tasmania today and Wednesday. Strong cold front moving southeastward across Tasmania today, following this feature a deepening low pressure system over the eastern Great Australian Bight will pass just to the south of Tasmania Tuesday evening. Northwesterly winds with damaging wind gusts of around 100 kilometres an hour possible over the western, central and northeastern areas of the state. These conditions should spread into the southeast of the state, including Hobart this evening and early Wednesday morning. Winds are forecast to ease below severe thresholds Wednesday morning. Swansea, Strahan, New Norfolk, Hobart, Gaveston and Dover are the areas under the warning. There's a sheep grazers warning for the 2 islands, the northwest coast, central north, northeast, Midlands, east coast, the upper Durrant Valley, southeast forecast districts. There's also a bushwalkers weather alert and a gale warning for the far northwest, the central north coast, Bank Strait, Franklin Sound, east of the Flinders Island, the upper east, southeast, southwest, central west coast. Strong wind warning to Durham Estuary, the Frederick Henry, Norfolk Storm Bays, the Channel, Central Plateau, Lakes, Southwest Lakes and the lower east coast. A gale warning will also be enforced for much of the areas just mentioned for Wednesday. The sheep grazers warning South Australia's Mount Rocky Ranges, the Lower Eyre Peninsula, the York Peninsula and the Kangaroo Island, the Flinders, Mid-North, the Marylands, the Upper Southeast, Lower Southeast, Northeast Pastoral districts, and the Bureau has cancelled the local severe weather warning which was in force for the Mount Rocky Ranges and the Marylands. Gale warning South Australia's lower southeast coast. Strong wind warning currently for the Adelaide metropolitan waters, the central coast, south central coast, the Spencer Gulf, Gulf St Vincent, Investigator Strait, the upper southeast coast. Northern Territory has the ongoing heatwave warning, and here in Queensland they're in the clear. Western Australia, strong wind warning, Leeuwin coast. And for Wednesday, the Esperance coast will see a gale force wind warning. 24.6 Sydney, 23.1 Melbourne, 28.1 Brisbane, 17.8 Perth, 17.5 Adelaide, 17.6 Hobart, 22.5 Canberra, 32.5 in Darwin. That is the current capital city temperatures at the time of doing this video. Sunny for Sydney, windy, cool change for Melbourne, mostly sunny for Brisbane, sunny Perth, winds easing, partly cloudy Adelaide, shower or two becoming windy Hobart, and 3/4 of the state is under a severe weather warning for damaging winds, sunny for Canberra and Darwin, partly cloudy.